In terms of the severity of penalty, possession would be the least serious narcotic offense. Then would come possession for sales of narcotics would be more serious. Then actual sales of narcotics, and finally trafficking of narcotics. And in essence, the penalties go up like steps with each level of narcotics possession. Nevada narcotics laws are actually the harshest in the country. And even sale of a small quantity of narcotics can subject an individual to substantial periods of incarceration. As a matter of fact, under the Nevada trafficking law, sale of more than 28 grams of a controlled narcotic can subject an individual to life in prison upon conviction. Although the statutes are broken up into possession, possession for sale, sale of narcotics, and trafficking laws, because the amounts to be considered trafficking in Nevada are so low. As a matter of fact, 4 grams or higher can constitute trafficking in Nevada. If you're charged for trafficking, you really need to obtain counsel because the penalties are very harsh here. The good news with regard to narcotics laws in the state of Nevada is, although the laws themselves are very harsh, typically prosecuting agencies are fairly reasonable about negotiating resolutions in these cases. For example, one case that got a substantial amount of media attention was when Paris Hilton was arrested for possessing cocaine. And it was originally a felony charge. There was a lot of media attention. Other celebrities and certainly a lot of people that aren't famous, go to Nevada, specifically Las Vegas, to have a good time, to party, and choose to engage in narcotic activity. Most often, although the penalties are severe, for a simple possession of narcotics, it's very common to be able to negotiate a resolution that involves a plea to a misdemeanor offense so that a fun time in Las Vegas on the weekend doesn't necessarily turn into a lifetime of difficulty and a felony record. I'm attorney Michael Becker with the Las Vegas Defense Group. If you or a loved one has been charged with a criminal offense in Las Vegas or throughout the state of Nevada, trust in me and my legal team to get your case dismissed or otherwise negotiate a resolution that causes minimal harm to you in your future.